is called.
So,
That's okay.
Basically, we had one video before this. It was last year. We made pumpkin slime. So we had a bunch of like clear glue and stuff when we made it in a small pumpkin.
So, but now we're gonna upgrade to a big pumpkin. So we already cut the pumpkin open, and now we're just gonna scoop out all the seeds and the guts.
The pumpkins, there's all the seeds up there. Yeah.
Beautiful. Okay, and now we're going to start filling it with clear glue.
Yeah, so we're gonna grab the big gallon. Or do you want to use that first?
First, we're gonna use this one.
I'm gonna open the gallon first, so we can go quicker. So we also have like some like pumpkin spice scent that we're gonna add to our
Yeah,
slimes.
I know it's already like kind of pumpkin scented, but like we want to make it smell really good, like the fresh baked pumpkin.
So we filled up pumpkins with glue. Move this out of the way because it's big. And so now we are going to activate, I think, right?
No, gonna add in our pumpkin scent.
I thought we did that after.
Don't you add it in before?
I don't know. I've never added scent into this.
I haven't either. It's okay.
Alright, just be careful because that's glass.
Yeah. There we go. I'm gonna use a little dropper. Oh, I can smell it.
Mmm, smells so good. Alright, careful. So we have a little like glass dropper thing. Add it to it. I think that's enough.
Yeah.
So I don't want it to be too strong, obviously. Pumpkin spice can be kind of strong sometimes.
This smells so
Is this
good.
how much you put?
Yeah, is that what you're doing? About that much. That smells so good. Alright, I'm gonna mix in the scent real quick.
Alright, so we added that in. Okay, so the cap's there. We have to be careful because this is all glass. I'd be the one to drop it. Okay, I'm going to. Alright, let me grab a spoon.
It has a very strong smell.
You guys probably don't know this, but the reason why I keep saying ow my shoulder, is because I fell in soccer, so my shoulder's been bothering me. So I apologize if I keep saying, my shoulder, ow, why did I do this? Ow, my shoulder. Because I'm annoying, but it's alright.
Okay. I'm going to add in my activator now.
Sorry, I told you. Oh gosh, that was a lot.
That's fine. Now I'm going to mix my activator. This is a good slime.
If mine was not sticky, then it'd be a good slime. feel like watching Elf for some reason.
We're on holiday.
I don't know why. But like all I think of is like through the candy cane forest and the gumdrop mountains. And then I went through the Lincoln Tunnel. We're all falling down.
Okay, guys, so I think these are our final slimes.
So pretty. They're actually a really pretty color.
I really like them. They look a little different on camera, but they're like really good. They smell amazing.
Smell just like pumpkins. They have the pumpkin seeds in them. They're very stretchy. Like I love them because they're not like runny. They're solid, but like they're still really stretchy.
Yeah.
Like I can just let it sit there, and it will like expand a little bit. But like if it was a ready slime, it'd just be like,
yeah.
And the pumpkin seeds kept falling out of them.
So
a lot of them
like
did.
a pile of like ones that just fell out of our slime.
So yeah, that is our pumpkin slime. If you want to make it, obviously you just need a pumpkin. You have to de-gut them because as you can see there's a lot of pumpkin seeds left over.
Unless you want like a million pumpkin seeds in your slime, which I doubt you will.
Because they fall out
everywhere.
Yeah, we've got at least 5 on the floor, just like. But then you just need clear glue, activator, and then yeah.
It honestly
basically
doesn't
all you
even. You don't even need that many materials. Like you don't need food coloring or anything.
You don't even need the scent because it still smells like pumpkin.
It still smells like pumpkin.
We just wanted to have a little bit of extra just to make it cooler.
Yeah.
And a step up from last time. Last time we didn't have the scent.
Yeah.
But so make sure you check out our first pumpkin slime video because it was pretty cool. And then also give this one. This one is part 2. Watch the part 1.
Watch part 1. And comment down below if you saw part 1.
Yeah.
So, anyways, we hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Make sure you smash the subscribe button.
Ring that bell.
And touch that like button with your pumpkin slime.
And until our next video,
Bye-bye.